The Ranvoo iPhone X, XS cases. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are some cases by Ranvoo for the iPhone X and XS. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. I have 3 cases for the iPhone X and XS. This is the soft TPU ultra thin case with a chrome bumper, a glass case with a silicone edge, and a clear rugged case. Each of the cases come with a little thank you card. And the glass case comes with a cleaning cloth. These cases have a stylish design and made from green materials. The clear soft TPU case is very light and slim. You can see it flex here with the clear back. The buttons are covered on both sides and has a nice chrome accent bumper. It has the cutouts for the speaker and lightning port on the bottom. It adds about 0.06 inch in the overall thickness. And you can see it flex here. The camera cutout has a raised lip of 0.03 of an inch. Installation is quick and easy. It feels very thin and almost like there is no cover. The bezel is raised by 0.02 of an inch. I would still prefer to have some type of screen protector. I'm using one on this phone. It feels good in the hands and has decent grip. It's not slippery. The camera on the back has a bit of protection from the raised lip. And the buttons press down with ease. The next case is the crystal glass case. This is a hybrid type case with a 9H tempered glass back and a silicone frame. The buttons are covered on both sides. And the bottom has the cutouts for the speaker and charging port. The case is light, and the sides have a bit of flex, as you can see here. Installation is quick and easy as well. Just start off with one side and press in gently. The phone looks good, just like the clear silicone. It shows the phone very well. This case also only adds 0.06 inch of thickness. It's a perfect fit all around, and it doesn't feel slippery. Provides a decent grip. You can see the back here. And the front. And finally, the protective rugged case. This case will provide impact, shock, and scratch protection. It has a soft TPU lining and a polycarbonate frame. The buttons are covered on both sides. And you have the cutouts for the speaker and power. You can see the flexible lining and the hard back. Installation is just like the other cases. Just start off with one side and press gently all around. Very easy to install. The bezels on this is raised by 0.7 millimeters, so it provides adequate protection. The camera cutout has a 0.2 millimeter raised lip. It feels a little bit thicker compared to the other two because of the absorption layers, but it doesn't make it that bulky. Feels good in the hands, and it's not slippery at all. The Ranvoo iPhone cases. An assortment of cases that will preserve the look of your phone and also provide protection. There are many styles to choose from depending on your preference. They feel solid and provide adequate grip. I would still recommend a screen protector regardless of any case. It just adds another layer. Check these cases out if you're looking to protect your new iPhone. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.